Hello, YouTube. Southeast Hiker here. Well, I got up this morning and there was a package sitting on my doorstep. It was my new coin microscope. And if you want to know the name of this one, it's right here on the screen, so y'all can read that. Well, you probably can't. Anyway, it's like Linkmicro. Linkmicro is the name of it right there. Linkmicro. Bought this on Amazon. So, I think I have it assembled correctly. I did have this item right here. I don't know what this is for. It looks important though. It's got some sort of yellow something down in the bottom of it. But if you look over here, it doesn't even show it like on the parts of what's inside the box. It doesn't even list it. So, not sure what this is. If anybody knows what this is or where it goes, let me know. But it looks important. But so yeah, I don't know. If it don't even list it in the book, I'm guessing it's not going to tell you what to do. And I've looked and looked and looked and can't find nothing. So let's talk about the microscope here. It's a 10-inch LCD. I needed something with a bigger screen on it. And I've got it somewhat figured out. Now, they give you little, down here where these little screw holes are, they give you little microscope slide holders to hold like regular microscope slides. I did not put those on because I don't figure I'll be using that. So, let's see here. Let's get this bad boy up on here. We get a mercury dime up here. Read the date real good. Pretty spiffy. I like it. Get it back up in here. You know, just you can get the mint marks, which would be right there on the mint mark. And you know, if I'm looking at a nicer dime, I can tell if my bands are split or not. These obviously aren't. This is the merc that I got from Crafty Stacker. Thank you, Crafty, for this mercury dime. All my other silver is in the safe. I haven't went and pulled it all out yet. But, like, here's a quarter. Like, just a clad quarter. Figured we'd look at this. And stick that up under there. Of course, I got to get it up, right side up. There we go. It's a Guam quarter sailboat. It's just going to help me out because, man, I needed something like this. And over here, on this little handy doodad, of course it does have a remote control as well. I ain't even took it out of the pack. But you know, you can turn the scope off, you can change the lighting on it, you know. See the lights down there changing. I can make it brighter. So yeah, pretty cool. Sorry for my crappy handiwork. I'm using my non-dominant hand there. So, pretty cool. Now, this also has the capability of, like, storing picture files. I didn't even put that in. The little memory card came with it. I just needed to look at coins. I don't really plan on taking and storing any pictures on it. And, this is some sort of a, I'm guessing it's some sort of a jump drive or something to put pictures on. I'm guessing you could put that memory card in that jump drive or something. Anyway, this is stuff I probably won't never use. And they did send me some slides, just like some crazy stuff to look at. So I got a few little slides, like I guess practice slides. Let's get that coin out of the way. I may not be zoomed in enough to see what this is, but pretty gnarly looking. Anyway, I think it's supposed to be a pine cone stem or part of one anyway. So, very cool, very cool. A very useful tool for somebody who is blind like me. So, really looking forward to getting a lot of use out of this booger. I've got to run my wires. They're all crazy right now and figure out where I'm going to kind of set it, where its home's going to be. But I just have got it kind of put together. And again, if y'all can figure out what this part right here is, or where it goes, where it's supposed to be installed, y'all let me know. Because I have no idea. The hole doesn't seem big enough to go up under there, so yeah, I don't know what this is or where it goes. It doesn't even list it in the book like that it should be in there, so somebody will let me know. Y'all are smarter than I am, so thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out the video today. This is what we got with our gift card, one of our gift cards that we got at Christmas. So thanks, Stepdad. Do appreciate this. This will help me a lot. God bless you all. This is Southeast Iker. And we'll get the coin image back up in here. And we'll check y'all later.